Hello, I'm Dr. Kovalchick from PhysioSpace, and this is an alternating shoulder front raise. Begin by standing tall with feet shoulder width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Keeping your core engaged and back straight, raise one arm straight up in front of you to shoulder height. Ensure your arm is almost fully extended, but remember not to lock your elbow. Lower it back down slowly and repeat with the other arm. Control is crucial, so maintain a steady pace and avoid any swinging or jerking motions. Stay strong.